Welcome to this week's Tech Tip. Today we are talking about Tricider. Tricider is a brainstorming kind of application that will help your students or your teams, your PLCs, to agree on different things based on what you're working towards. So Tricider is a website, so you go straight to that website. It's tricider.com, as you can see up here. And then you just type in your question. So what I typed in here so far is, what were the reasons the United States became involved in World War II? And then you click go. And once you click go, you can share this through a direct link or invite people, which obviously is what you would do if you would do it in classroom. And then you can start adding ideas. So what is kind of neat about this, and I'm just going to type some random things here. So, and you can have the students, yes, it asks you if you want to edit, but you just click no thanks. You can also have the student add their name so that if you want to know exactly who this is coming from, they can also add an image. But what's kind of neat about this, what is that you can, once you have a few ideas in here, you can talk about the pros and cons. So you can argue pros and cons related to this. And if you're doing this like with a classroom, you can have all these ideas written down. You can even say, what color are we going to make the background of our slides? I mean, it can be something simple, something serious. Either way, this is a great thing to use. And then you can have the kids vote on what they think is most important. But then these are, again, our ideas that are generated from your students. This also will work with your PLC if you are looking for a way to decide on how to prioritize your standards, and or you say, I think we should do this next, and you want to make sure that everybody in your group is contributing and saying what they think. Then you give them a chance to share that in something like this. And then again, it's group consensus about, this is what we're going to do, or this is how we think it'll work. I think of this more as a way to work with your students. But like I said, there's all kinds of ways to use this. And when you do use Tricider, I would be happy to see it in action. So please let me know. And I thank you for tuning in to this week's Tech Tip.